Thank you for stopping by the channel. This is Eddie at Comfort in Cooking. I'm going to take you back for this classic, easy black eyed pea recipe. Let me show you how we're going to put this together. As you see, we're going to take a half a large yellow onion, half a green bell pepper, dice them down fine and portion them out with 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic and half a stick of butter. There are a lot of ways that you can cook black eyed peas as far as meats, vegetables, seasonings. Let me know how you cook your black eyed peas in the comment box below. And you know I can't forget about the 2 stars of the show, which is going to be 3 slices of ham shanks, 1 pound of black eyed peas. Now I flash soak these black eyed peas. You can also soak them for 24 hours and leave them in the refrigerator overnight. Let's get ready to melt our butter. Once our butter has melted, we're going to add our yellow onion, our green bell pepper. Once that's simmered, we're going to add our 3 cloves of garlic. This is a simple, easy black eyed pea recipe. This is exactly the way that my mom and dad used to cook it. Let me know how you cook your black eyed peas in the comment box below. What vegetables did you add? What seasonings do you add? I'd like to hear from you. This shouldn't take long at all. We're just going to let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And cook the rest of the way while it's in the crock pot. Add 3 cloves of garlic. I love this press. If there's any recipes that you would like for me to cook on this channel, please leave it down in the description box below. If you found any value in this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Support this channel so I can bring more content to the table. The full ingredient list will be down in the description box below. The cooking time on the beans are going to vary according on your likeness as far as the tenderness of the black eyed peas. We're going to check on it on the first hour, then we're going to check on it on the second hour. Now, the second hour that we check on it, we're going to determine if we want it to cook for that additional 30 minutes, according on the tenderness of the beans. Now, we're going to add our 3 ham shanks to our black eyed peas. Now, our smoked ham shanks, when it comes to smoked meats, you can use what you have in your home, in your kitchen. You can use smoked turkey legs, smoked ham hocks, smoked neck bones. I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can add chicken broth, chicken bouillon, better than bouillon, whatever makes this simple, whatever's in your kitchen right now at the moment. Now this whole time your crock pot is going to be on high. Total cooking time should be about 2.5 hours. Now we're going to add our veggies that we cooked earlier before to the pot. Once we add our vegetables to the pot, then we're going to cover with a lid, and then we're going to allow for them to render down. The Cajun seasoning is going to be optional. It's a choice of your own that you can make. You can leave it out or you can put it in. Let me know in the comment box below if you put Cajun seasoning in your black eyed peas, or do you just let it render down and just use the flavor from whatever smoked meats that you choose. Sometimes just a little bit of black pepper and salt seals the deal, especially when you're working with beans. Now as this cooks down, the meat is going to continue to render. Once the meat continues to render, you're going to see all of the flavor rise to the top. Also, I'd like to know, is it an occasional thing for you to eat black eyed peas or through the year, or is it just for the holidays that you eat black eyed peas? Let me know in the comment box below. The ham shanks are now releasing that flavor. This is why I don't salt to taste right now, because I believe the ham shanks are going to give you all the flavor that you need. This is coming along nicely. Meat is falling off of the bone. The beans are coming along well. We're going to cover this one more time. We're going to allow for it to cook the rest of the cook time. I can't wait to plate this for you. But at this point, I just want to key the music. Check me out over on Instagram on Comfort and Cooking. You can get still pics and also short videos of my recipes and what I have coming up in the future. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, pick all so you can be alerted on any videos that I have up and coming. Perfect. It gets no better than this. Now, don't beat me up in the comment box. When I say it don't get no better than this, I'm not saying nobody can do it better. Just in this kitchen, at this point, in this time, it don't get no better than this. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check me out over on Instagram. That's Comfort in Cooking. Hit that bell so you'll be alerted on any videos that I have coming up in the future. Thank you for inviting me into your kitchen, and I'm out.